Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing fish masala, which is a very yummy recipe which I have been making for about now 2 years, and it goes awesome with rice or paratha if you like to. And for the ingredients I have taken 2 medium size onions sliced, about 8 to 10 leaves of curry leaves I have taken, and about 3 large tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 green chilies, half a kg of fish nicely washed. I'm using fish fillets, you can use smaller pieces also, and any fish variety that you like you can use. And for the spices I've taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, half teaspoon of kasturi methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the spiciness according to your wish. Half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, salt to taste, this is rock salt, you can use any cooking salt that you like, half teaspoon of turmeric, that is haldi, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. So now let's start with our recipe. And before that I would like to tell you that I'm using extra virgin coconut oil. This is really good for the people who have hypothyroidism, and it gives a very nice flavor, as well as it contains less number of calories as compared to other oils. So now let's start with our recipe. Over here pan is heated. Now putting in 1 serving spoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use any oil that you have. Please excuse me for my voice, I'm having bad throat. And we'll wait till it gets heated. Oil is heated. Now putting in the sliced onions. We'll cook onions till they turn golden brown. After 2 minutes of sauteing onions, putting in green chilies, and we'll mix both of them and we'll cook together. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame to cook the onions. As you can see, the onions are done. Now dropping in the curry leaves. Saute them for about 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now dropping in all the spices. Sauteing them on low flame for another 2 minutes. Since everything is mixed well and cooked well, now dropping in the tomatoes. We'll cook tomatoes till they turn soft and mushy, so it will take another 7 to 8 minutes. You can do it on medium flame as well as on high flame as per your wish. I'll be doing it on medium flame so that nice masala can be made. So the masala is ready. Now let's drop in our fish fillets. Now it's your choice whether you want to cover it with lid while you want to cook it, or you want to cook it without cover. I'll be cooking it without cover, so that because I am looking for dry masala for this special recipe. So if you want to have gravy, you can put in half cup of water and you can cover it with a lid. It will take about 10 minutes for fish to get completely cooked. So see you after 10 minutes. Here I am back after 10 minutes and our fish is done. After 5 minutes I turned the side of the fish so that both the sides can be cooked completely. Now we'll be dropping in good amount of coriander and we'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes and your fish is done. And I really hope that you will like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like. I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.